You need it yesterday? We hear that a lot. You're busy with a mountain of emails and an equally large mountain of laundry because you're working from home, with kids at home. And let's be honest, maybe it's all a little too homey now that home is also the office, school, restaurant, and the gym. That's probably why you missed the email at 3 a.m. from the engineer who had the cubicle full of Star Wars figures and his team needs a custom window in 3 weeks. Every optical manufacturer you know says the same thing, 6 to 8 weeks. Well, not Esco Optics. Why? Because while you're in your PJs sipping on yesterday's coffee, we're getting it done for you. With 65 years of custom and catalog optics manufacturing experience, aggressive timelines? No problem. Flat and spherical shapes? Can do. Oh, looks like you need an AR 450 to 750 nanometer thin film coating. Yep, we got that. Next, Esco Optics. We keep up with the daily grind so you can enjoy a short lead time.